It's gonna, okay, there you go. So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about myself, because people are like, what should I listen to this person? Is one thing. One, I know I look young, but I'm almost 50 years old. So I've been in a business owner. I know a business owner for 28 years plus. Okay. So the main thing that I do, I'm a super affiliate coach, meaning that I teach people how to start a business. I don't know if you know what is affiliate marketing, but basically it's recommending products. And that's my full-time job. So what I do is just this is my job. I click and I post things in social media. I talk to people, I do videos, and I've been doing this for 6 years, affiliate marketing specifically. And then I started buying crypto like 6 months ago, but I didn't want to do what everybody else is doing, because I know people like freak out and then a lot of people lose money.
Yeah.
That's why I got into this class like a month ago. And why did I get into this class and I trust these people is because the affiliate program that I'm part of, which is called Affiliate Triad, was promoting this class. And I trust my mentor, Jason Flatlin. You can research him. Jason Flatlin knows the guy that created a strategy, whose name is Dan Hollings. Okay, so do research on that. And so that's why I decided to go in full, because he has done over $100 million. I mean, Jason Flatlin and Dan Hollings has been in the crypto world for a while. He has actually he put $5 million to actually see how the volatility of the market was working and to be able to exploit that. And that's how he came up with his strategy. So I chose these two people. I've been with the company for almost a year with Affiliate Triad. And since Jason knows Dan Hollings for years, I trust them by default. Does that make sense? And so let me talk to you a little bit about what is grid bot trading, because a lot of people don't know what is that, because mostly people don't know anything about that. But have you done crypto? You done the normal trading?
But I usually dabble in shit coins.
Okay,
yeah,
I know. Not the big boys like BTC and Ethereum, which are my favorite because they're gold and silver.
Yeah, but trust me, with the shit coins, it's high volatility, but you're able to make money so fast, and you could lose money so fast too. So it goes both ways.
Exactly. It's like doing the ETH up and the ETH down, the leverage coins and all that stuff.
Absolutely.
So let me talk to you a little bit about grid bot trading first before we do anything, because basically grid trading bot is a trading bot that assists you in carrying out the grid trading strategy. As you know, you sleep 8 hours in a day or more. In those hours, can you watch your crypto?
No.
And that's a problem. So it enables you to place a series of purchase and sell orders within a given price range. When a sell order is fully executed, the bot instantly places another purchase order at a lower grid level and vice versa. And I will show you what the grids mean. So we got a grid bot created, then the price moves up, price moves down, and the bot is doing its thing 24/7. So basically, grid trading is a trading method that comprises placing a series of buy and sell orders at predefined intervals around a fixed price. It develops a commerce grid in this manner. And by the way, if you don't know anything, how this started with the Forex industry. And I don't know if you know anything about Forex, but they do in the stock market, they use grid bots in the stock market and in Forex. And now in the last couple of years, we've been using it in the crypto world. So you see that it's going to become more. I give it 5 years, and this is going to become, the more people know about this, it's going to be the normal way of doing crypto, because it lowers a lot of the error and a lot of the risk. Okay. If you have any questions, just ask me.
Yeah.
So grid trading works best in competitive market with regular price variations. It assures profitability each time the selling price surpasses the purchase price during a ladder price movement. Basically, when the market goes south, I make more money, which is the opposite of what everybody's doing. Do you agree with me there? Because you have to buy a coin. down here.
So when the oh, sorry, you said when the market goes down, you make more money. Is it because when it's down, you buy more, so you maximize your profits?
Yes. And so basically, one, everybody does this. They buy a coin here, very low, and then when the coin goes to the moonshot, when it's in the bull market, everybody sells. But the problem with that is that 90 to 95% of people lose their investment because one, there's a lot of errors. Two, the market can drop in the middle of the night when you're sleeping and you're SOL. You can't recuperate that. So
that's me.
90 to 95% of people lose their money. That's a gambling. That's like Russian roulette with your money. So basically 5% of people only doing the normal strategy do money. Do you think that's like the odds are for you or against you? 5% only. It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's barely anybody that is making money. And it's, yeah, you can make a lot of money really quick, but you can lose your money like this in an instant. And that's it.
Definitely.
So the bots just is different. It's each time the selling price, like I said, the automatic executing low purchase orders. And we talk about micro sales and trade, micro sales and buy orders. We're not talking about a lot, but that plus, let's talk about what people do in the normal market. And I mean, normal trading, which is HODL, a coin for how long? For a long time. And you're not making any money in the now. With great bot trading, you make money now. Even with the HODL bot, I make money now and later. And you can't do that again with normal trading. I mean, can you HODL your money and make money right now with a HODL, with a HODL crypto that you're actually holding for a year? Exactly. So that's the difference. People are just waiting for this moonshot. The moonshot might never come, and you're just waiting. And so it's a long-term. This way of doing what you're doing, what everybody's doing, is a long-term strategy. This is short-term and long-term. So that's another thing that distinguishes the basic trading and the great bot trading. Okay. Any question?
No, not at the moment.
So there's also a variety of factors that must be considered in order to enhance grid trading earnings. So again, we profit from the volatility. For me, volatility is good. When people are saying the market is going down, I'm yay! While everybody else is gonna be doing what? Selling their coins, and that's an error, just so you know. Of course, if you're doing the normal way, I don't, I wouldn't do that either. But I forgot to show you this. Do you see this?
No, I don't. Are you sharing your screen? I don't see it.
Yeah. Let me just show you this because I forgot to start with this. Because I had to say this. One, a disclaimer, crypto trading is highly speculative in nature, and which can mean crypto prices may become extremely volatile. You may sustain a total loss of your funds. Crypto trading carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for investors. I want to tell you, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm talking about what I'm doing and what I'm learning with what I can tell you about that I'm learning with the class in the grid bot trading, just so you know. Because like I said, I want you to know that. Okay. It's that when we are in the crypto world, you have to, cover your behind anyway.
That's true.
So sorry, I'm just gonna keep talking. So basically, a pair with frequent and large ups and downs, but rather a constant average price over the long term, is a certainly strong choice for grid trading. So 5 benefits of using a grid trading bot. One, trustworthy crypto trading strategy. When you have a trading strategy, it's not only just going and getting these bots and being like, oh, this is going to happen magically. No, you have to know how to set this up. Okay. You know how to set the grid so that you can catch the wiggle, which wiggle is the volatility of the market, the ups and downs.
Yeah.
But grid trading has been around for a long time, but most people don't know. So it's actually well-tested and profitable trading approach. There are several instances of successful traders employing it for decades on a variety of marketplaces, like I just told you. And the crypto business in particular has shown to be one of the most trustworthy venues for grid trading methods due to the extreme volatility. So again, the volatility of the market is good for me, not for the people that are doing everything else. And I'm talking about specifically when it goes down. 2 is usability, because the strategy is straightforward to understand and use because it does not contain any sophisticated calculations. Listen, when the guy told me this is how you set the bot, I was like, oh my God, that's it. It takes 10 minutes. When you know how to do it, 10 minutes to set the bot.
Really?
And then you don't have to watch it. I can let it be and not watch it because I don't, the bot is taking care of all the things that I need to take care of.
Mm-hmm.
You can't do that with basic trading again, because you have to be what? Watching the market and the indicators and how BTC is doing and all the stuff is doing and all. That's a lot of stuff. Mm-hmm. Okay. But basically, it will be simple to set up for entities with no past expertise in the crypto. So the people that don't have any background in crypto do usually better because you're a blank slate. No, I'm not saying that you will not do great in the class, but what I'm saying is that when you do it this way, you have to change your strategy and the way we do things. Because tell me, when I tell people I make more money in the down market, in the bearish market, who is going to tell you that? I mean, seriously, has anybody told you that?
No.
Before? So that's what I'm saying. So if you have a lot of knowledge in the crypto space and you decide to do the class, we have to follow the plan as is, not try to be like, oh my God, I know what I'm doing and let me just check this out. Mm-hmm. But when I show you my bots, you're going to understand what I mean. Mm-hmm. Anyway, it's adaptable. The grid trading applies the most fundamental trading concepts: buy low, sell high, earn the difference, dollar cost averaging, all this stuff. Therefore, it can be applied to nearly any market and effective generate profit. So you may actively determine the frequency and period of the strategy by selecting the price range and number of grids, which I will show you soon. So grids can be set up for the short term, getting hundreds of trades every hour. Tell me, can you do 1,000 trades in a day?
Oh, of course not.
Exactly. And I'm going to show you, because when I show you my bots, you're going to see how many trades they're doing a day. And us humanly is impossible. Okay. Mm-hmm. So every hour to capture micro profit from all the day's minor changes, or for the long term by selecting a large range and leaving it to run for months to gain profit from every larger trend shift, you can't do that with basic trading. Also, it's enhanced risk management, meaning that it lowers your risk of losing money, because the freedom to pick your grid strategy allows you to control the risk reward level more actively than in most other types of trading. You may use a grid bot to generate consistent modest profit with almost little risk. Or you may take higher chances for potentially massive rewards, like using leverage coins. But that's leverage coins, that's a different ball game. Leverage coins. And so that is not covered in the class anyway. The other thing is that we do automated trading. Grid trading is particularly open to automation because to its evident logic in the fact that all its actions are predefined, it's already set. Mm-hmm. Using grid trading with a trading bot is considerably easier and more efficient than trying to follow the strategy with manual trades. It is one of the greatest methods for traders looking to take their initial steps towards automation. I don't know about you, but I do a lot of automations with other things. So basically, I think if you don't have any questions, I'm going to show you now. I'm going to go here, show you mine. I'm going to show you what you want to see.
Yeah,
I know you're wanting. Okay. So this is my bots, okay? Mm-hmm. So you can see that it's been going up and down. You see, see, these are the grids, okay? Mm-hmm. Show you here. These are the grids. Each line is the grids. That's why it's called grid trading bots. So they actually teach us how to set this, how much to go up, how much to go down. Because basically what we're doing is that we're putting a spider web. We're predicting how high is this coin pair going to go, how low is this coin pair going to go. If you notice here, when I go out, it went out of the grid. You see that?
Oh yeah, yeah.
And you see the points of support here. Go back here. Let me go back, because you can go back in time. You can see the points of resistance up here. It went out of the grid. Now, the difference is when it goes up, you see this thing here that says trailing up?
Where are you pointing at?
Here.
Oh, okay. I see your right side.
So when we're setting the grid, the trailing off feature it's going to keep going up. If I have the trailing up. Now they have a trailing down, but we're not using that feature because each grid, basically, the minimum investment that we have to actually do a bot is $3,000, because what the bots do is take little micro levels and take that $3,000 and just basically divide it between all the grids, all those lines, okay? And you know that exchanges have minimum trading amounts that you have to fulfill. And so that's why the people that are entering the class, the minimum is a 3,000 baht, just so you know. So show you this.
And then how much is the class? Or you get to that later?
So the problem is that the class, I don't know if I can tell you what I paid for it, but I don't know how much it's going to be in September, because what happened is that the first two classes with beta, basically the strategy is fleshed out, but the membership doesn't look that great. They're using us to actually better the membership area. Does that make sense? And so so I paid $2,500 for the class. Okay. I don't know if that's
a one-time fee, right?
Yes. I don't know how much is going to be, so I can't tell you in September how much is going to be. But if they do a beta 3, it might be very possible it's the same amount or maybe a little bit higher, because usually people get their money really quick with if you're following the plan, like Dan tells you, not just doing some Wild West thing, you know what I mean? And going and thinking, oh, I'm going to do this because this is the way that I've been doing this. This is a problem with having crypto experts and people that don't know anything. I'm a person that don't like authority, don't like following instructions, but I'm following this because I'm not going to play with my money, just so you know. But so if you follow everything, you will recuperate your money pretty quick. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. So you see, so all this stuff, and then you connect your exchanges here. We got, this is all the exchanges you can connect. I wanted to show you this. So my exchanges are Kraken and KuCoin. I have more exchanges. I just haven't connected them all because I'm focusing on the most important ones, the ones that have the lowest fees. KuCoin and KuCoin is number 1 and Kraken is number 2. I don't know if you have any, if you do any other, but anyway, you see all the things. And basically what you do is that you get an API in the exchange.
Okay.
And then you connect it with the bots. And then your money is always in control, full control of you. It's not in the bots. The bots are just using that money that is in the exchange to do the little buys and the little sales, which is very important for people to know because I don't like middlemen. So you're basically in full control of your money. And I want you to know that is not, nobody knows your passwords. Nobody knows anything. The only thing that is that you can actually do, you can centralize all your stuff that you do as a trader in this interface, which saves you a lot of time. Because if you have to go to, if I had to go to KuCoin and go to Kraken and go to Gemini and go to Nexo and go to whatever, that's going to take me a long time to be going all over the place. And when you're doing basic trading like you're doing, can you waste time and stuff, stupid stuff? No, you can't, because you can lose your money. So the class teaches you how much you need to go up, how much you need to go down. And when the grid, when the market goes below the grid, you don't lose anything. You're not making any money. You're not doing, nothing is happening. So we usually don't do anything unless it's been months. We also teach you in the class how to change the grid again, lower it, but we usually don't mess up with it.
Okay. So how do you determine where to put the grids?
So basically the class
class
teaches you everything that you need to know about how you set it. You don't you don't have to, I don't want to tell you anything because people might think, oh, I just go and do the settings and then you lose all your money, because there's a strategy to this. Okay. And that's what I'm not going to tell you how much up you go or how much down you go, because I don't want to be the cause of you losing your money. Like I said, I am not a financial advisor. I'm talking about what I'm doing and what I can talk to you about, because I can't tell you the strategy, like I said, because of the legal disclaimer. But look at this. These are my bots. I have a ETH USDT. You see it? BTC USDT. You see it or not? You see everything?
Yeah.
And you have a ETC BTC. The ETH BTC is a HODL bot. The HODL bot makes money now. It makes money later. Again, you don't do that with basic trading, because HODLing is what? Holding a coin for a year or more.
Yeah.
But look at this. This is the profit that my bot has done. You see it here? 843, and look at the days, in 16 days.
Oh, wow.
Now, explain to me, can you do this with basic trading? Can you make $845 out of your HODL bot, out of your HODL crypto and your other coin pairs in 15 days? And by the way, just so you know, this is below standard. Why? Because I chose these two coin pairs. I just chose them at will, at random. I didn't really research them. I just was like, I'm just going to put money there and just leave it there. So you understand what I'm saying? That when you know how to pick the coins, I know how to pick the coins, but I just wanted to be just to do it. And I just chose these because I'm an ETH and BTC. If you notice, I'm all the way with the silver and gold, because I don't know if you know that BTC and ETH are rarer than silver and gold. They're more expensive than silver and gold.
Yeah, I actually started mine in Bitcoin.
So you see this? You see why I was like, because I can't show you that in the clubhouse. And like I said, this is like me just random. Now this was the HODL bot wasn't random. The HODL bot wasn't random. But again, it's making money. So what it?
So you made that much in the HODL bot, but how about the regular bot?
This is all the bots.
All the bots.
15 days.
So for a total, you made 844 on all three bots.
Exactly.
In 16 days.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it keeps going up. Keeps going up. But anyway, I wanted to tell you what I wanted to tell you. Okay. So here we got controls of how much the bot is giving you profit and it costs. All this stuff we teach you in the class. This has a lot of stuff that you can look. It has the close orders. It has the order statuses and all this stuff. When it's buying, when it's selling, you see that? So everything that you're doing here is recorded. And the other thing is that you can actually start a standard bot. This is how I do research. I take standard bots. Standard bots is just normal coin pairs that are going to give you more money now. HODL bots are HODL, you know? That you can actually do anything. Before we put our real money, we do a demo bot. So we basically put money, fake money, can't do that again in the basic trading world, and be like, oh, let me see how this is going to go. And according to how because it acts the same way. Once you know how to set up the bots in demo, you know how to set them live. It's pretty easy. So that's how we do research and lower our risk. We do demo bots for 3 days. And if we think that is doing great, then we go live and then put money. That's the most important thing that I want you to know, because a lot of people have lost money because you can't you can't speculate the other way around. You can't be like, oh, let me just do a fake crypto demo here and expect and see how this is going to go and all this stuff. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And so that's one thing that distinguishes this from doing what 99% of people are doing. And by the way, if you don't know, and I can actually find you information about my mentor, Dan Hollins, people that have been doing crypto, millionaire cryptonaires, I just make a word, are actually going to Dan and telling him to teach him this because they want to make more money instead of having to gamble, basically, because everybody's gambling with their money. Yeah. So that's the one thing that I wanted you to know, which is why mostly nobody knows about this. I'm going to show you who is this person because I want you to see my, and I want you to research because I tell people don't believe anything that I said, go research.
Oh yeah, I will. So
Dan Hollins, look at here. He's been in Digital Journal. He's been in San Francisco Weekly. He is the person that created the strategy. So just wanted to, this is my mentor. This is him.
Okay.
So look at this. The plan by Dan Hollins, the Team Rapid Crush, opens the second beta tester. I'm second beta, but the next beta is third beta. He was charging, you know how much he was charging to do one-on-one? $15,000 to $20,000 per person.
Oh wow.
And people were throwing him the money because he showed them the result before he did anything. I don't know about you, but I'm like, I'm from Puerto Rico and I live in Texas and I'm a Texan by choice. But I'm like, I should have been born in Missouri because I'm like, show me, you know?
Yeah.
So this is what the plan is: a complete crypto system that will give you the keys to the crypto revolution. It tells you what it has: 5 educational sessions, digital membership area, step-by-step training. We have customer support. I had a problem because I didn't understand something. I sent an email at 12 a.m. in the morning. By 1 a.m. in the morning, I had my question answered. So the customer support that we have is bar none. And if we have a beta 3 in September, when they go for the full course, when it's going to be, and I mean, all speaking, pretty and all this stuff, it's going to go more than what is going to be the next month. And I think the next time we go after that is going to be higher than in September, because I think they should already be done with beta. Should be normal. The strategy, like I said, is fleshed out. Is what is not fleshed out is the membership area. It doesn't look that great, but the strategies. Oh, and it's a series of strategies. So there's one class, and each class, I think he has like, oh, okay, I don't want that. Just see that send me a gift. I don't know what that was. Each strategy he teaches you something else.
Okay.
But this is the first. You have to go in order. You have to go for the first one, but nobody is forced to go to the second one or third one. He does more, how you say, complicated things like leverage coins and all the other stuff.
Okay.
So this is the class that I'm taking. I wanted you to show you. Actually, let me show you. Let me go back here. And I think it's like 7 classes. So it's not alone. Let me see. Let me find where.
Now, are you able to use this bot for shitcoins as well, or no? It's just
any coin that is in the exchange. Look, let me show you.
Yeah, that was what I figured. Okay.
Look, let me show you here for a second. Where is it? Here you go. So here, look at all. Is what is in your exchange. Look at all the pairings here.
Oh, okay.
What is the thing that you use? Tell me a shitcoin that you use.
A shitcoin that I use?
I can find the pairs here.
Well, I know Shiba is probably on there, but I had Shiba. I don't think it's SHIBA. Probably not on there.
No, I don't see it. Because remember, if you have, if your exchange has it, it will come here.
Okay.
Just tell me something else. Do you like
I think Binance probably has it, but Cardano, yeah, ADA. ADA, yeah. Yeah.
Look at, you see? These are some of the coin pairs with ADA.
Okay.
So again, you're connected to your exchange. It's whatever your exchange offers that you can actually put here. So if your exchange has Shiba, Cardano, Monero, whatever that you're using, then it will appear here. Okay. And not only that, here you can actually take and convert actually one coin to another. So you don't have to go to your exchange to do that.
Yeah.
So I go here, I check which exchange I'm in. I go here. If I want to start another bot, I go here where it says market, and then it tells me to buy ETH or sell ETH or whatever. See? Wow. So you can do stop limits here. You can do limits. So you can do a lot from here again, which makes it a centralized area where you can do, when you can actually, you know, stop wasting your time and being all over the place. See?
Yeah.
So that's why I like, you understand why I love this? Like I said, I'm just like,
it puts everything in one place. So it's
easy. Plus it lowers errors, because if you're sleeping and the market goes south, you can't do anything doing the normal way. But again, this is doing, and I forgot to show you here.
So these are all your buys and sells, huh?
Yeah. You see the transactions here, 354, 222, 219. So it's doing transactions every day, all day, which is, again, the other advantage of doing this with that. And you see, we got trailing up, trailing down, take profit, stop loss. They teach us how to stop a bot without losing our money, because you can actually do cancel all open orders, sell all marketplace. But again, the class helps you maximize what is the perfect time to start your bot. What is the perfect, how do you stop your bot so that you can add more money there, or take money from your exchange? Because one thing that I didn't tell you is this. Look at this. It's just so much stuff that I can talk to you about here. This actually, the profit, the bot is sending money to your exchange every hour. 25 cents here, 25 cents there. Just imagine you're at home.
But where does it show that?
Look at here. This is the profit. The profit is profit that is in the exchange. That the bot sent to the exchange is not here.
Oh, okay.
So the profit is not because the market is going up and because this market is going down. It's because it's sending literally 25 cents. What I can tell you is this. Think about that you're at home, and people, you're the toll, and people are passing through your toll, like cars. And every time somebody passes to your toll, what do?
They pay.
They pay. That's what the bots are doing. They're paying you, and this is the balances available outside that they're throwing back to my exchange. All this stuff. You see that?
Wow. So this is since you started?
Yeah. So this year, and then we have here how to do strategies and all.
And what did you start with? If you don't mind me asking, what did you start with?
Well, the three bots, I think it was 3,000 each.
Okay.
But again, we have also the strategies. This is how we do the coin pair research, and we do a lot of stuff. Again, there's a lot of stuff that you can do here. And start a new bot, how it works. S-bot, we don't use the classic bot, but again, this is just a lot of stuff. You see what I mean? And that's why, and then you can actually change the amount of the candles, the time of the candles. Look at this.
Oh, okay.
I usually have it in 6 hours. See? And then you can actually close the grid and open the grid and then go back and all that stuff. So yeah, like I said, it just so much. I can be here all day. But
well,
I mean,
it's really
seriously, I mean, have you seen anything like this? Because I don't think, I think if people knew, if people knew that they could do this differently and lower their risk to nil. Look at this. So even if this was red, that's the profit that I made there. So let's say that I made 9% and this is here negative. I still made that profit. So it balances out in the end, if that makes sense. If let's say that I made 9% and then I lost 2%. Are you crying because you lost 2%?
No.
Because you still have this profit that is in your exchange because it doesn't stay here.
Yeah.
The only thing that the money is locked is in the bonds. So if you put $3,000, which I told you is the minimum investment, your $3,000 is locked there, but it's making you money and send it to your exchange. And that's why he calls it the gumball effect. You see the gumballs all over and just throwing here and there.
Yeah.
So the money is stuck there, but the money is making you money. Basically, what I'm trying to say is this. The rich people don't work for money. You know that.
Oh, yeah. They let their money work for them.
So this is the definition of passive income. I just put it, set it, leave it there. And then the weight on my shoulders is not there because I am not, oh my God, I need to check this every second of the day.
Yeah.
Because that's a lot of pressure. And I don't have to worry about FUD either. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Why? Because the more fear, uncertainty, and doubt there is, the best for us, because then I'm going to make more money. So that's why I was like, why I'm so excited about this. And I want to tell everybody. So I created a Gridbot club in crypto Gridbot club in Clubhouse.
Okay.
To talk about this. Like I said, I can't talk about the strategy, but I just want people to get in the class and start lowering their risk, making more money, and less time, less effort, less stress. If that makes sense.
Yeah, that does.
I don't know if you have any question. What do you think? Do you understand the possibilities of this is what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, I do. I definitely do. I definitely do. It seems like a good, something good to invest your money in, minimizes risks and whatnot. That's the biggest thing for me.
Yeah. And so basically what I remember, the first class that I did, it was an intro class. It tells you the strategy. I think there's several things that they say on what is the strategy to minimize your risk and maximize your profit. Second class was how to actually set up a HODL. Third class was how to actually set up your standard bots. Fourth class, what was it? How to do crypto savings.
Okay.
And the profitability of putting your money in a vault. We have safe practices so that you don't lose your money. This is very, it's called a plan for a reason. It's a plan that you can follow, and basically a step-by-step instructions on how to do this the right way. And you don't have to think about anything. And if you have any questions and you send a message, boom, usually less than a couple of hours, you get an answer. So we got all the structure around this. So I'm just telling the most people that I can, because we're going to open in September and it's going to be a week and that's it. And when it closes, we close. And like I said, you have to sign a legal NDA disclosure. that you're not going to share the strategy. If you notice, I haven't been, I'm talking about the bots, but I haven't told you anything about the strategy anyway.
Yeah.
But he's going, like he said, I'm going to teach you to fish, and I'm going to give you the fish.
Yeah.
You get both. Because he doesn't want us to depend on him. He said, this is what I've done. This is how I lower my risk. This is how I made all this profits and all this stuff. Let me see if I can go here and show you my friend's box. Okay. No, here. Let me go to the other. Go to Chrome. Sorry, because this is another thing. My friends got in first, and I trust my friends, so that's another reason why I said. And I was seeing the results, and I said, I need to be in this. Damn, I need to be in it. When it opened, I was like, I'm there, because I'm a skeptical person by nature. Like I said, I am anti, I don't like authority. I don't like people telling me what to do. So before I do anything, I do my research. And that's why I tell people, do your research. This is my friend.
Wait, I don't think I see your screen. I'm seeing.
Give me a second. Oh, yeah. Let me stop the share and start the share again. Where is she? Here. This is my friend. I'm like here because she's always, look at her. This is what I want to show you. Can you see it? So these are her bots. Oh, and I forgot, the total value is not the investment that you did. It's a combination of the profit and the investment together. Okay. This is what she did. You see this? 28 days. 28 days. You see that? Wow. 28 days. That's her profit. And that profit is her exchange. As the bots make you money, they put it aside.
Oh, wow.
So that's why I want you to see, because like I said, a lot of my friends are in this. It's not me alone that I'm in this. And again, I know these people for almost a year. I was a client of Jason Flatley before I became an affiliate, and I saw the quality of the products and the customer service, and that's why I'm also an affiliate. But so this is one of her pictures. Let's see if she has another one. This is another one. 21 days.
979. So how many days does when you set the bot, how many days does it last for?
They don't stop unless you stop them.
Oh, so it's yours.
And what stop them if they're making you money? I wouldn't stop them, especially the HODL bot. The HODL bot is going to be like that for a year.
Yeah, I'm saying like once you set it up, like once you invest that 3,000 into each bot, like how long do you have it for? Is there a limit or no?
No,
you have it forever.
And we just, as long as you want it, you're the person in control of your bots. Nobody controls your bots, but you if they're making you money, I will not stop them. They're gonna make me money. I'm gonna leave them be. I'm just gonna add more money. And what happens is that people make money. They have it in this exchange, and they just start another bot with another coin pair, and keep doing this, repeat, and then your profit is going to skyrocket because it's compound interest. That's why I think that I didn't mention. You know what is compound interest?
Yeah, I do.
This interest is not only, it's not just a year. It's every day. Whatever says here is the interest that is paying you, and that stacks up. So you see?
Yeah.
Because she's been doing this. That's why I'm showing you, because she's been doing this longer than me. But let me go back here now. This is the other ones that she has. 18 days, 15 days.
Yeah.
And again, of course, depending on the coin pairs and what you're doing, your results will vary. But if you're following the plan, it depends on how much money you're investing. If you only invest $3,000, and by the way, you can invest crypto that you already have too, if you were wondering that.
Oh, okay.
Just so you know. But so depends on the coin pairs that you choose and all this other stuff. But again, if you're following what we're saying, what the plan is, then your profitability will skyrocket. So see, this is 14 days, 10 days, 15%, 36% profitability. So that's the other thing that I wanted to show you, because like I said, I got more friends doing this. And I kept seeing this and I'm like, man, I need to get in. And then when they open in August, I said, I'm in and I'm in and I'm in.
Wow, that's great. And I appreciate it.
And it's like, and it's this, I seen this for like months now of my friends getting money and all this stuff. I'm in now. And this is so amazing to me that I'm putting $11,000 to $15,000 investment, which is not chump change, by the way. If you think about it, I mean, for anybody to do that type of investment, do you think that they will be like, oh, I'm gonna lose it or what? You know what I mean? Of course, we say never put money that you can't afford to lose. But again, if you know what you're doing and you have a plan, wouldn't you put, if you had the money, wouldn't you put that?
Of course.
But now if you're gambling with your money and you know that you might lose 90 to 95%, would you put that type of money in a crypto world?
No, you're going to be hesitant.
Exactly. So that's what I wanted to show you. I don't know if you have any questions, but I'm sorry, I'm just getting excited about I just like, because it's like, you know what I mean? I'm just like a kid in a little candy store and just playing, and it's so fun too. And it just, like I said, you set it up for 10 minutes and you let your bots run. And you just let it go and you're like, I don't have to watch it. Wow.
Yeah, that would definitely help with sleep, you know.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be like sleeping like a baby. He said, don't look at the FUD, forget about the FUD. And if the market goes south, yay, you know, just be happy. You're gonna make more money. But I don't know, it just been like almost 4 weeks of me doing this, and just been amazing. And then my friends are doing it, and it just so much. And if I could tell you everything that I could tell you that I can't tell you, you'd be like, that's it. This is it. This is a strategy. It's just simple stuff that he had to spend $5 million in crypto to actually basically learn how to explore the volatility of the crypto market and make money now and later.
So in 4 weeks, you made that amount of money, the 49? Oh, no.
You know what? I didn't want to show you. That. But anyway, I mean,
you know, sometimes it's good to be transparent with that.
No, I know, but because people, like I said, it's gonna, remember, results vary. If you choose, remember the coins that I got. ETH and BTC is top stuff. If you put all in shit coins, and I'm not saying that they don't do as well. You know that they have a rank, the coins. If you choose, usually we choose coins from 1 to 1,000. Anything under 1,000, we don't choose. You might not make the same. Again, when you set the robots is important. What coins are you using is important. And all that, and how much money you're putting is conditional on what you're gonna make and how you're gonna make it. Does that make sense? And that's why I don't want to say, I don't like being like, oh, this is what you're gonna do, because I can't promise you that. But what I'm saying is, if you follow what you need to do, and I wanted to focus on the short term and the 15 days of what I show you, and that keeps going up every time. I don't even watch it anymore because it keeps going up. Yesterday was 7. When I talked to somebody yesterday afternoon, it was 729. It was $729. And you saw that it's 800 something now. So that's in less than 24 hours. So I'm very careful how I speak, if you notice, because again, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, and I want to get sued telling people that they're going to make all this money, because again, if you start the bots today and you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose money. Now, if you started with a plan, with a strategy that somebody has used, that has made them a lot of millions of dollars in crypto, and I'm talking about Dan Hollins because he's the one that created this, then the chance that you're going to make a lot of money is very high. So I don't want to say you're going to make this, you see? So I'm careful about that.
I know that it's different for everyone, you know, but again, when they're trying to get people, I feel like you have to show some results, you know. I mean, which
I show you, but you see, I'm just careful. I'm just very careful.
I understand that.
I hate when people go and say, oh, make this in a month. I hate that. I hate that.
Oh yeah,
but I show you the bots. I show you my friend's result because I want you to see what is possible with this. But again, do your research, because you're the number one person that is you are your financial advisor. I'm my financial advisor for myself.
Exactly.
And I'm just talking to you about my experience, about what my bots are doing, what my friend bots are doing. And if you get into class, when you get into class in September, if you get into class and you follow everything that we're teaching you, you're going to be like very happily surprised. And we prefer saying that you're going to do the worst, so that when you do the best, then you're like, oh, that's great. And you're going to be like talking to everybody and be like, oh my God. See what I mean? And then you can't shut up. So I'm just being careful, if that makes sense.
I understand that. So what's the website for it? If I wanted to sign up, is there a website?
So I have to.
Or is it an affiliate?
So right now I'm just taking people for the waiting list. Give me a second. So this is, I'm just putting people in my wait list. So when we open in, when we open in September, then actually you will get emails from me.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to see the website so I could do my personal research on it.
Yeah, what I recommend. So this is, let me see. This is the
Dan Hollins, right? You said.
So this here is my page where I'm actually.
Are you sharing your screen? Oh, okay, I see it.
Yeah, this is where I'm collecting people's how you call it, as a waiting list, and just research Dan Hollins, the plan.
Okay.
Do you know who's Anik Singhal?
I beg your pardon? I didn't hear what you said.
Anik Singhal. Do you know who's Anik Singhal? Is a very big affiliate. He works with Robert Kiyosaki. Do you know who's Robert Kiyosaki?
Yeah, I heard that name before.
So they do work together. He got in the plan too. He's big, Anik Singhal. So again, just put Dan Hollins the plan, research, because we don't have a page right now because we're closed. But I am talking to people getting ready for September, because we're going to be open very fast, and then we're going to be closing, and that's it. And then we don't know when we're going to open again. So
so just to be clear, it's an affiliate program, right?
No.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
What do you mean? You mean
when you get people,
yes, I am an affiliate, but I'm also in the plan. Does that make sense? I am a client and I'm an affiliate. So a lot of the people that get in the plan, after they see how we work, they get into affiliate because it's another way of passive income. So I'm making money as an affiliate, and I'm making money as with the plan.
The bots. Okay. All right.
So I do both things, because I this is what I do full time. I don't do anything else. I don't, you know, like I said, I graduated in December from my master's, but I don't work a normal job. I'm my boss. And again, to become wealthy, you can't do a normal job. I mean, active income sucks.
I always say that. 9 to 5
active income sucks. So I do both. So yes, no, I'm very, very transparent about that. Anybody that gets through my link when we open is I get paid a commission. And like I said, if you decide to do it in a month, in a couple of months after you're in, you decide to become an affiliate, you can also promote it when we open the next time.
All right.
Because I mean, why would you not, after you are experiencing the same thing, to be, hey, because my friend, the last time we promoted this, my friend made $42,000 promoting this. Promoting
Wow.
this, not doing the plan, but promoting the plan.
Wow, how many people did she get? It must have been a lot of people.
42 people.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I made $2,000 in a day because she was in the plan already, so she could show her results. And when we go in September, I am going to have a lot of people because now I'm showing what I'm doing. It's an advantage.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? Because when you're showing, people are like, oh. And I already have a bunch of leads. I got a bunch of leads here, and I got a bunch of leads in because I have an email list. So yeah, but again, when we are doing any promotion, there's no extra cost for people that are getting in the plan because I'm promoting it. It's the same price. Everybody pays the same. Now the difference is that nobody, by the way, if you didn't know, we as affiliates of Affiliate Tribe and research them too. Affiliate Tribe, Rapid Crush, we promote exclusive products that nobody can promote. So again, and high ticket products, meaning that people are paying $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, and usually we get 40, 50% of that. So it actually stacks up. So in my channel, you're gonna see super affiliate coach because I made certain amount of money as an affiliate because I've been doing this for almost 6 years. So,
nice.
So I'm doing that, and I'm doing that. I'm doing affiliate. I'm doing the plan, and I have other assets, just like wealthy people have, because like I said, I know that what they do, and I'm doing the same thing so that I can be in the position that I want and retire in the next 5 years. That's
definitely.
Between the plan and the being an affiliate is in 5 years, I'm going to be retired, and I'm going to be what, 52 years old, and I will be retired and wealthy. So, so I don't know about you, but I'm like, that's the, being able to retire 50, early 50s is amazing. Don't you think?
It is.
So, but again, just research, research, because like I said, I want to be transparent with you. When I talk to my people in Facebook and YouTube and anywhere, I tell them to expect, I always prefer saying expect the worst and hope for the best. Just because I don't like hyping people. But like I said, if I show you my results and I see, you see, that's different than me saying all this stuff and not showing you the thing, you see? And like I said, being able to actually do a demo before you put your money there also, and see how the coin pairs work and what kind of profit are you going to get is also another thing that is very good to protect your money and your investment. So I hope that makes sense. Let me just stop. Let me just stop this and say something and then stop the recording, and then we could, if you have any questions. Do you have any questions before I stop the recording?
Not really. I don't think I have any questions. I'll do my DD and then get back to you if I have any further questions.
Okay, let me just close it and then turn off the recording. Guys, please, if you're subscribing, if you're my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. If you're interested in the plan, contact me and click on the wait list for September. This is Mari Cruz. When you're the gap between the rich and the poor, coming for the great state of Texas. Take care. And let me stop here. Bye, guys.